This is the 055SG bug detector available at SpyGadgets.com. At $79, this is a great entry-level detector. It will locate signals in the 50 MHz to 6 GHz range, including GPS, GSM, wireless cameras, and wireless bugs. Remember to turn off all the wireless devices you know of to prevent false alarms. Routers, modems, cell phones, cordless phones, wireless speakers, and Bluetooth devices all put out a wireless signal. Any wireless signal you find after that may be a surveillance device. Use the sensitivity wheel to calibrate the unit so just the first light turns on. Portable and handheld, this unit can be used in alarm or vibration mode. The 055SG from SpyGadgets.com.